officials. Watch them fish, watch them hunt. They're certified officials. It's Triple E Outdoors.
Tonight we are hunting for cicadas right now tonight, and we have glow sticks for safety. I know what that thing is, but that's actually the moon up there.
Yep.
That's a light.
Yep.
Be the light.
It is the year of the Brudex.
That's the one up there.
The moon is in between our heads. It is the year of the Brudex cicadas that come out every 17 years.
Brudex.
And we are going to see if we can find some.
And there's a lot. So you might want to go out and dig some holes in your yard.
Or they can just look by some trees. I think this is an old maple tree.
Yeah.
And we're going to poke around in the grass and see if we can find any to collect and cook them up. Okay, so I've been doing some reading about these. And when it comes to collecting them to eat, you want to catch these that are fresh out of the ground. And then you can also collect those that are freshly hatched, but you got to pluck the wings off of those. So it looks like
there's one, and
there's enough I can grab off of here that are crawling up the tree. So I think we're gonna have enough to collect here. So sit our bag down and just start picking the dudes off here.
Yeah.
All right, so we got that one.
That one.
That one.
That one. And I didn't even see it. I was like,
yeah, so I think we're definitely gonna be able to collect enough here. So we're gonna go ahead and pick up a few more and then look for ways to cook them up. Okay, so the next step after you collect these is you're supposed to freeze them.
Right here.
You'll be okay. So I am dumping what we collected into
Hi guys, this is Strictly Outdoors. Oh, my back is so stiff.
Into the Ziploc baggie here.
I want to go show Mom.
No, yeah, Mommy doesn't want to see them. So we weren't out very long, but that's what we collected. So we're gonna get those in the freezer, and then tomorrow we will get them rinsed off and
eat them.
See what they taste like. So we will check back in once we get that done. All right, I've got some cicadas I just boiled here, and I've got some butter and minced garlic in a skillet. So I'm gonna get them sauteed and see how they taste.
Look, Dad, I'm in.
All right, here goes the payoff. I hope I cooked them long enough. They're not. They're kind of soft, but that's sauté. So.
Dad, make it like a.
All right.
How are you gonna eat them?
Bon appetit.
Spit out if you don't like it. Good?
It's different.
What does it taste like?
It's an earthy taste. I've read asparagus. I maybe get a little hint of that at the end. I've read almond, like kind of a nutty flavor.
There's 1, 2, 3.
Hey, burners are hot, buddy.
There's 5 more.
I don't know. I don't really. I mean, even with the garlic on there, you get a little hint of that, but that one didn't really have much of a flavor. But I definitely can see the asparagus comparison.
Dynamite launcher.
That kind of comes through at the end. So I got those sauteed. I've got some soaking in salt water.
I got a dynamite launcher.
Soaking them in salt water is supposed to take care of make the taste a little bit better. So I'm gonna let those go for 2 hours, and then I'm gonna cook some kind of like a popcorn shrimp deal. So that was the saute version, and you know, not bad, not a whole lot of flavor, but like I said, just kind of maybe similar to an asparagus there at the end. So next we try them fried. Okay, so I've got some more cicadas here. I've got a skillet of hot oil. I've drugged them in an egg wash, and now I've got some flour, some nature's seasoning, and some breadcrumbs in this bowl here. So we're gonna fry these up, see if they're anything like popcorn shrimp. Now these, I soaked in salt water for 2 hours. That's supposed to kind of make them taste a little different. So take away that earthy taste. All right. Okay. Tilt the phone here. So here are the fried version. They cooked a lot quicker than I expected, so I might have burnt them a little bit, and I'm hoping I don't burn the crap out of my mouth, but here we go. I definitely don't get the earthy taste as much, so I think soaking them in the salt water does help. I mean, I can kind of see how people think they taste a little bit like shrimp when you fry them up like that. But I mean, still, it's kind of a flavor all of its own. But very interesting, a little different, kind of neat. So we'll see now if we can pick up a few, and Issa and I can go out next weekend and catch some fish with them. So stay tuned for that.